Drawings in pencil, pastel, or charcoal can smudge too easily. Here's what you can use to protect your work. After reading some reviews, I found this workable fixative by Krylon and have been using it for years to set my drawings. Shake the can for a few minutes before spraying steadily. To protect your surfaces, place a newspaper or drop cloth underneath your artwork, and also be sure to varnish in a well-ventilated area. Spray in one direction and then in the opposite direction to cover the whole drawing. Now wait about 5 minutes for it to dry. The covered surface should feel slightly sandy. You can certainly draw over it, but you won't be able to erase well. I personally like to coat my artwork with 2 to 3 layers only as a final step. You can, of course, experiment and see what works best for you. Well, I hope you found this demo helpful. Thanks for watching!